Namaste everyone. In this question I am going to discuss the beauty of mathematics. Now see, what will be the answer of this question? 89 multiplied by 91 plus 1 whole square root. We have to find out the positive value. Now see, you might have seen such question in competitive exams, and to calculate them you required little time. But can you solve it within a second? Yes, its answer will be 90. Now see, relate this 90 with these two numbers. अब मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं कि इसका आंसर 90 कैसे आया. Now see, 90 is the number which lies between them. Now for a moment, let us suppose this number x. इन दोनों के बीच का नंबर है, उसको x सपोज कर लेते हैं. What will happen? This question will become square root of 89 is 1 less than x. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? x minus 1 and 91 is 1 more than x. So it will become x plus 1. And what is given in the question? You are given plus 1 more. Now see, this will be equals to x minus 1 whole multiplied by x plus 1 will be a minus b into a plus b. You might have studied this identity in your 8th class. So, this will be equals to a square minus b square. Use it. What will be your answer? The simplification of this part will be x square. A is equals to x. So x square minus 1 square plus 1. This will be equals to square root of x square minus the square of 1 is 1 and square we have 1 again, so write it as it is. Now 1 is cancelled with 1 and what you got? Square root of x square. And we need the positive value only. हमें सिर्फ positive value चाहिए. We know that its answer is plus minus x, but we need positive only. That's why the answer is x. And what was x? The number between 89 and 91. I'm going to repeat it. कि x क्या था? x वो नंबर था जो 89 और 91 के बीच में आएगा. That is 90. So the answer is 90. That is the reason without calculation, you can check on the calculator, without calculation you can write the answer that 89 multiplied by 91 plus 1 will be equals to 90. Now see how you can use this trick for large questions. Let us see one more such type of question. Now in this question we have to find 449 multiplied by 451 plus 1. Again, the difference between them is 2 and the number between them is 450. 449 is 1 less and 451 is 1 more. So, can we use this? Yes, we can use. So, the answer will be 450. The answer will be 450. Now see, you have one more question on the board. Can you use the same trick for this question also? Now see, the difference between these two is 4 again. And the number between them is 4450. Can it be the answer? Let us check using identity again. So see, if this number is x, then this will be x minus 2 and this will be x plus 2 and we have plus 4. Simplify it. This will be equals to x square minus 4 plus 4. 4 is cancelled with 4. Again you have square root of x square. This will be equals to x. Yes, The answer of this question will be 4450. It is the positive value. Let me tell you, the actual value is plus minus. What if you are asked only positive value? The answer will be 4450. So, you can use this trick to simplify more such problems. Practice it, you will find it magical. Thank you.